Can you believe this? We got two superheroes on stage right now.
Two?
Yeah, two superheroes. See, you've been in Marvel movies.
Yeah.
And I'm Tiffany Haddish. Ask my community about me.
Fair enough. We are here to present the award for International Feature Film, which is particularly exciting for me since I come from an international country that for many Americans may seem exotic and different. Canada.
Parlez-vous français?
Oui. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi?
Ooh, okay. I didn't even know that France was in Canada. That's crazy. That is crazy. You know, I got a thing for Canadians.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah. I like that circle bacon.
Yep, female.
You know.
Okay.
Them men with the jackets that ride on mooses with the hats.
Yeah,
and
I could do that.
That Molson's beer, the accents.
The accent.
Yeah, I love the accent.
It's the vowels. Yeah. We're gonna need to unpack that later.
Yeah, I like the vowels.
Won't we? Okay.
Yeah.
Here are the nominees for Best International Feature Film. From Japan, Drive My Car, directed by Ryusuke Hamaguchi. From Denmark, Flee, directed by Jonas Boer Rasmussen. From Italy, The Hand of God, directed by Paolo Sorrentino. From Bhutan, Lunana, A Yak in the Classroom, directed by Paolo Chung-Ying Dorji. From Norway, The Worst Person in the World, directed by Joachim Trier.
And the Oscar goes to Drive My Car, Japan. Yes. Woo!
This is the 5th Oscar and 14th nomination for Japan.
Thank you very much. Oh, you are the Oscar. Well done. Yeah. I'd like to thank all the members of the Academy for having us here. And I'd like to thank Janus Films, Sideshow, 1,150,000, and Cinetic for bringing Drive My Car to United States. Thank you very much. And I also would like to, just a moment. I also would like to thank the actors here. 西島秀俊さん、岡田将生さん、桐島玲香さん、パク・ユリムさん、ジン・デヨンさん、アン・ヒデさん、ソニア・ヤンさん、おめでとうございます。そして、and I'd like to thank all the actors who could not come here, especially Toko Miura, who drove the Less Up 900 beautifully in the film. 皆さん、撮りました。ありがとうございます。Thank you very much.